Welcome back, Diamonds. For our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your girl, Eva Tarae. Go ahead and take a moment to click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you will become a part of the Diamond Squad and know as soon as I drop another video. So today I am going to continue with my old school throwback theme, and I reached back and grabbed my personal, well, one of my personal favorites, which was Odd Couple. Now, when it first came out, I really did not wear it much at all because I really didn't know what to do with it. I had 8 years ago, I believe, when this came out, I had really just started with makeup. I really just wore the purple. That's why it has a little indent in it, and the goldish color has not really been touched much at all. But I wanted to bring this to you, just to the second part of that first throwback chapter. I love it. The purple, I was feeling. The gold, I was feeling. I recently ordered Juvia's Place some liquid lipsticks. This is Moro. It's a metallic purple lipstick. Oh my god, I've been itching to have a reason to use it. Today was that reason. Here you go. So Diamonds, I won't ramble on too much. I am going to go ahead and slide right on into it. To start off, I'm going to prime my lid, and I've been really loving on this lately. It's slightly tacky, allowing the shadows to, you know, something to adhere to, and it intensifies the shadow color. Just remember, Diamonds, when you're using this, a little goes a long way. On to the star of the show, I'm going to go in with that purple shade from the Duo, and it kind of wasn't as tense as I remembered it being, so it took some time just to build up that color to get the intensity that I wanted. Going in with my James Charles and Morphe collab palette, I grabbed Love That and Single to blend out the edges of that purple. To highlight my brow bone, I did go back in with that James Charles and Morphe collab palette, and I used Canvas. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D concealer and placing that directly to the center of the lid. Now I'm going to grab the gold color from the Odd Couple Duo. Going back in with the purple shade just to clean up the edges a little bit, make sure everything is blended nicely. Now, Diamonds, you know I love me some Suva Beauty, and this is their Hydrolina in Aztec. Diamonds, I'm going to finish up the look with some falsies, and I'll be right back. I know it took me forever to check out the Versailles Unicorn Essence, but baby, Diamonds, let me tell you, best thing since sliced bread. I love it just as much as I love my Tasha Silk Primer. For foundation, I grabbed my Ride or Die, my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made D70. I don't think that this foundation will ever get old to me. I absolutely adore it. It wears well. If you guys have oily skin, boo, I'm here to tell you, you need to grab a bottle of this. To highlight, I grabbed my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. To contour, I grab my foundation stick from Black Opal in the shade Black Walnut. To bronze my face, I grab my Estee Edit bronzer in medium deep. On my waterline, I went in with a color called Lilac. It is an eyeliner I got off Amazon. Really no name to it, really. So you can use any purple or any lilac color you'd like. I'm going back in with the same purple from that Odd Couple duo. To highlight my inner corner, I'm gonna grab this highlighter by Maybelline. It is awesome and amazing. I love it. I have actually several of these, and I'm gonna pop that into the inner corner. I'm going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. To highlight my cheeks, I grabbed my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and I went in with Aruba. The lips, I went in with my Juvia's Place Moru, and it's a metallic purple. It's so pretty. And diamonds, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of the throwback series. I know I did. I'm definitely going to find a few more to see what I can come up with. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And diamonds, as always, until next time.